WAEC Academy online tutorials, and now we'll be looking at this question from number basis, which says we should find the missing number in addition of the following in base 7. So anytime you see a question like this, the first thing you need to do is to add the two known, right? When you add the two known, subtract it from the answer, you'll get the missing number. So now let's start. Solution. Okay, so we are going to have 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, all in base 7. They are all in base 7. So we are going to add the two of them. 1 plus this plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. And 3 plus 2 is 5. Also 4 plus 1 is 5. Everything in base 7. So now that we know this, we are going to subtract it from the answer there, and in order for us to get the missing number. So quickly we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 minus 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, and by everything is in base 7. Okay, so now 1 plus 5, of course, no, sorry, 5 minus 1, which is not possible. Now in this case, since we are working in number base, anytime we carry anything, like in mathematics now, we're meant to carry 1 up to this, add to this one, and it becomes 11. But in this case, we'll be carrying this, the one we carry will represent 7. So it will be 7 plus 1, which is giving us 8. So now we are going to subtract 5 from 8, which will give us 3. So next, this is now 3, this 4 is gone. So when we borrow 1 to this place, this becomes 10. 7 plus 3 is 10, right? So 10 minus 5, we have, of course, 5. Now, here is now 2. Now we're adding 7 to 8, which becomes 9, right? 2 plus 7 is 9. And 9 minus 5 is 4. So here is 1 and this is 1. So when we take out this 1, it remains 0. Add the 1 here, that will be 7 plus 1. Of course, this will now be 8. So now we are removing 5 from 8, and it will be 3. So this is our answer. Now, how do we confirm if it is correct? Of course, when we replace this number here and add them, we should have this. Now let's go, let's check. So we have 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 3, 4, 5, 3 should be added. Let's see if we can get this. Now everything is still happening in base